What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas and today I have the exhaust clips for you. It's been a long wait, I know, I'm sorry. I should have just put those out like the same day or just a few days after. But they're finally here. We have like some GoPro clips that are really close, so those are gonna sound really good. And then I'll just get like some flybys and stuff because I actually have Justin coming up to help me film again. So he'll be here in a second. He's not here yet, but yeah, so we're just at Butterfield Canyon right now. It's beautiful, colors are starting to change, which is making me happy. It's my favorite time of the year. But yeah, so that's a cool spot. I'll have to go up there or something. But yeah, so let's get into it. I'm just gonna get a few revs of just like the camera right next to the exhaust down here, and yeah. Dude, that car that just drove by, yeah. I was like stalking it around, they both look at me and they go, at my car, really? And I was like, that's what's up. It made me feel so good. Yeah, dude. Yeah.